Pussy galore. Carl Wheezer here, and the question of the day is, what if Carl from Jimmy Neutron was the star of your favorite movie? So here we go. Frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn. I'm gonna make him an offer he can't refuse. You talking to me? You talking to me? I don't see anybody else around here. Ow! Bond. James Bond. Let's try it again. Shaken, not stirred. Hi, Miss Moneypenny. Or wait, Pussy galore. People love hearing Carl say Pussy galore. Bond, James Bond. What is everybody laughing at? That was her name. Pussy galore. Say hello to my little friend. Meow. They don't call me Microsoft for nothing. Here's Johnny. This is way too much fun. End of video. And my career.